What we have here today, we have a McLaren LP720S. Somebody reversed into the car. He damaged the front bumper. He damaged the hood. All front end is kind of twisted. As you see, the gap on the top is opens up. This side is much tighter. We mark all the damaged area and we take picture and we're gonna send it to the insurance company and they get it approval. This side headlight is good, but we noticed the other side headlight is damaged because it's kind of moving because of the accident. It's all shaking. That means we mark the headlight for the estimate. First process, take pictures with the estimate, send it to insurance company to get it approved. Yeah, give us a green light to start a repair. If you have one of these special car, you don't know where to go, contact us at P.A.R.S. Motor. We'll be here to help you guys. We can fix anything. Bring it up there.
Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. She say that I'm cool. I'm like, yeah, that's true. I believe in G.O.D. Don't believe in T.H.O.T. She keep playing me dumb. I'm a player for fun. Y'all don't really know my mental. Let me give you the picture like stencil. Falling out in drought. No flow rain wasn't pouring down. See that pain was all around. See my mode was kinda lounge. Didn't know which way to turn. Slow was cool, but I still felt burned. Energy up, you gon' feel my surge. I'ma kill everything like this purge. Let's just get this straight for a second. I'ma work, even if I don't get paid for progression. I'ma get it. Everything that I do is electric. I'ma keep it in motion, keep it moving like kinetic. Put this shit in a frame, but I know I don't blame everything that I say. Man, I seen you deflate. Let me elevate. This ain't a prank. Have you walking on a plane? Both hands together, God, let me pray. I been going right around, call that relay. Passing the ball back in the mall, swinging in the pool, can't come on. When a piece of this, a piece of mama, piece of son, can you please repeat the lines? What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. Ay, what you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. She say that I'm cool. I'm like, yeah, that's true. I believe in G.O.D. Don't believe in T.H.O.T. She keep